Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to disable personalized recommendations on your Xiaomi TV. So if your Xiaomi TV uses the Fire OS, like this one, then you're gonna have to go to settings by navigating to the gear icon on your TV. After that, go to preferences tile, open it, then go to privacy settings. In privacy settings, we can disable cookie consent so that the TV doesn't gather our data to personalize our content. To do so, just select cookie preferences, then decline. Then we can also disable device usage data by selecting it and switching it off. Then collecting app and over-the-air usage data. Also, let's turn it off. Then let's turn off interest-based ads, but before we do that, let's also reset our advertising ID by going right here. By navigating to your advertising ID option and then pressing 3 stripes button on your remote control. Then click OK to confirm and then turn off interest-based ads. Okay, so that's it. Now, if your device uses the Patchwall OS instead, so you're gonna have to, of course, go to the gear icon to open settings. Once you are in settings, go to privacy settings, just like we did here, except for we had to go to preferences first. So go to your privacy settings, and once you are there, you're gonna have to find ads and also and then navigate to delete advertising ID. And after you do that, just don't select get new advertising ID, and it will do the job for you. And so that's basically it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.